Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you're viewing the How To Lady, and we offer information about organization, DIYs, life hack, and a plethora of other things. Just check out the YouTube page. With that said, today we're going to dive right in and we're going to show you how we organize our lingerie. Now, if you've seen my other video about closet organization or lingerie organization, if you haven't, check it out up here and I'll link it below so you can have easy access to it. But I'm going to give you another simplistic way to organize your lingerie, and I think you'll like it. So if you're interested, stay tuned and we're going to get this ball rolling. We're going to knock it out of the park. Okay everyone, as indicated in the introduction, we're going to show you how to store your lingerie. Here are some of the things that you will need. Of course, you will need your lingerie, and then any bag. It can be a gift bag, any bag of your choosing. I'm choosing the Victoria's Secret bag because I think it's appropriate for storage in my closet and it matches the colors in my closet. Also, you want to get some of the freezer bag. It can be any brand, it doesn't matter. But these are the items that you will need to start this lingerie storage process. As we stated earlier, we are going to store our lingerie. Are you excited? I know that I am. So let's get ready to do that storage. Okay, so I have my lingerie here. I have a couple of my brassieres, and then I have a few nighties, and we are going to use these freezer bags to store the items in. So what I usually do is I take the freezer bag and I think about which items that I want to be stored in here. So we're going to go ahead and store the nighties. So you can put as many nighties in your bag as you like. Right now, I'm just going to put 2 of my items, but as you can see, there is plenty room for more. And I'm going to go ahead and lock that up, and then we're going to move on and store some of our brassieres. But you can also do this with your undies. You can do it with socks. You can store your leotards, your stockings, whatever you want to use to store in these freezer bags. You can use that to store your items. So here we are with the brassiere, and one thing I want to show you is how I fold the brassiere. So what I usually do, we have your regular brassiere here, and we are going to fold it over into itself. The cups are on top of one another, and then I take the straps and the back of the brassiere and I tuck it inside of the cup. And so it's folded, but you're not doing anything to it that's going to damage the shape of the brassiere. So that's why I fold it this way. You're going to take it and you're going to slip it right into your freezer bag, and there you have it. For me, one brassiere usually fits into this freezer bag. You could probably squeeze another one inside, but I wouldn't recommend it because you don't want to damage the shape of the brassiere. So I'm zip locking that, and then we're going to store one more brassiere, and we're going to put that one in this freezer bag. And I just love these freezer bags because you can use them for storage for almost anything, and it will keep it safe, it'll keep it dry, and you'll have a place that's designated for these items. And I'm zip locking that. Now that I have everything in the freezer bags, I am going to get my decorative bag. And the reason why I'm using the decorative bag is because you can just sit it in your closet anywhere. You can put it on a shelf. You can find a space for it on the floor. You can actually take the handles on the bag and you can drape it across a hanger. Or you can put command hooks on a wall in your closet and put this handle on that command hook, and that'll be holding all of your items that you have stored in the freezer bag.
Draping your decorative lingerie bag across the neck of any hanger or on a command hook positioned in your closet on the door or wall is a great way to store lingerie. Always try to think outside of the bag.
So let's start putting our items in this bag. Now, the larger the bag, of course, the more items you can store into that bag. So we're taking our brassiere and we're placing them in there. And I think I have room for another brassiere. So let's go ahead and put it in there. There we go. Down in there. And I do believe that I can slip my 90s in here. So let's see if we can do that. There we go. Everything's tucked snugly into this bag, and all you do is find a place to put it in your closet. What better way to store things when you have limited space? And I think this is a great idea. So try it out. Tell me what you think. Give me your comments. With that said, we're going to store it in my closet and we're going to show you exactly where we're going to put it. So let's go.
So here we have it, my lingerie storage. It's sitting here on this little counter in my closet, and when I need items, all I do is just reach over, get what I need, pull it out, and then slide it back. What a great way to store lingerie. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.